In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in Clickup, a powerful app designed for all your work management needs. Grouping tasks is an excellent way to keep your projects organized and track progress efficiently, especially when you're juggling multiple assignments. Let's dive right in and take it step by step together. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Clickup's website. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't already set up a ClickUp account, you'll need to do that first. However, for this guide, we'll assume you already have an account. Click the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Next, ClickUp provides a seamless integration with Google, making it easy to log in with your Google credentials. So go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This option streamlines the process and saves you the hassle of remembering another password. After signing in, you might have multiple Google accounts, and if that's the case, you'll be prompted to select the account you want to associate with ClickUp. Choose the appropriate one and you'll be redirected to your ClickUp dashboard, which acts as your command center for managing your various tasks and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, locate your list of projects. Today we'll focus on choosing a specific project where you want to organize your tasks more efficiently. Navigate through your projects and select the one that requires task grouping or needs a clearer organizational structure. Now take a look at your tasks list within that project. To start grouping, you'll want to first identify at least two tasks that logically fit together under one umbrella. These tasks might share a common goal, timeline, or simply be parts of a larger assignment. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select two tasks that logically link together. Once you've selected these two, turn your attention to the options available for task management. You'll notice a feature called Convert to Subtasks. This powerful feature allows you to group your chosen tasks under one main task efficiently. Click on Convert to Subtasks to group these tasks under a new or existing parent task. This method not only declutters your main task list, but also makes it easier to oversee progress, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines for an entire group of related activities. And there you have it, you've successfully grouped tasks in ClickUp, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your project management skills. Remember, mastering these tools not only boosts productivity, but also ensures you're always on top of your tasks. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further help, do drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video, and happy task managing.